right, we got a 2023 Hyundai Calligraphy. Got the black clear coat exterior. Got a ton of premium upgrades, LED lighting. Looks like we got 20-inch metallic gray wheels with the machine face. Got heated and ventilated leather seats. You got dual pane sunroof. Got a 12.3-inch touchscreen display. Got specific drive mode selection. You're also gonna get the Harman Kardon premium audio group. Third row seating. And this second row also has heated and ventilated leather. Got the suede headliner. This one's got about 81,000 miles. Got backup camera, blind spot monitoring.